Our chief guest will now inspect the contingents. Please, let's all rise from our seats. Let's all be seated, please. Thank you. Our chief guest will now inspect the contingents and is escorted by our Superintendent of Police and our parade commander of today's program. Commanded by Team Siam and flag holder Team Swan Moy. Next we have the civil policeman contingent commanded by SI L Thangboy Dotham. And here we have the IRB band party commanded by Havil.
Saikot playground and to the people of Churachandpur. Long years ago, great Indian leaders made a tryst with a destiny to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing their comfort of life. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day without any fear and having happy face just because of our brave forefathers. We cannot imagine that how the moment was. The district administration Churachandpur has been undertaking several measures for multi-dimensional development in all fields by leaps and bounds. Good governance, but also planned various innovative projects and to take great initiatives to improve the overall administration. Have been designed to promote the well-being of the society. The Swachh Bharat mission, which aims at clean India. Churachandpur had been declared open defecation free 2018 to create awareness among the villagers and to move towards ODF plus. We have installed ODF signboards in each and every village to have a clean and hygiene environment and to create awareness amongst the public. We have constructed more than 70 community sanitary complexes. Water supply distribution network for Churachandpur town for promoting tourism under NESITS had been recently inaugurated, which
In the meantime, I'd like to request Nk.Lawmnakim Hrangate to be ready.
The road that led to still holds her candle without a flame. Through the darkness, seek out the helpless, deceived and torn. Carry your candle for all to see. Take your candle.
echoes the great warrior and fighter who stands triumphantly with the help of wild lizard called